One moment. One moment. I detect the live video will begin in a few minutes. Please stand by.
Hi, I'm DJ Ware. On this episode of the Cyber Gizmo, we're going to be exploring future distributions. So in the beginning, there was chaos. And by chaos, we mean computers. Oh yeah, they crashed and they lagged and they updated at the worst possible times. And we cried out for help, but for something better. Introducing NITRO is the Neuro Integrated Task and Resource Orchestrator. It's the last operating system that you'll ever need, or possibly the last one before the singularity renders us all obsolete. NITRO is designed from scratch on the reanimated codebase of Yellow Dog Linux. It's re-engineered for ARM and x86-64. NITRO isn't based on just Linux or Windows or BSD or even reality.
It was trained on the combined Git histories of every open source project ever created.
So at the core of NITRO is the intelligent desktop. It doesn't wait for you to click. It asks before you even think about it. Sometimes, instead of you thinking, it doesn't wait for you to click. It acts before you think. Sometimes thinking for you. So why open a browser when NITRO already has loaded the page you would have searched for anyway? And it's based on your blood pressure, your caffeine intake, and a faint whisper you made 3 days ago. Using our patented thought-based tasking engine, we've eliminated the need for keyboards, mice, or even voice input. You simply exist near the machine, and it does the rest. With great telepathy comes great vulnerability. That's why NITRO features NeuroSec, the world's first zero-trust Cortex hand-hardened firewall. It scans every command you thought, or someone else thought for you, for signs of stress, doubt, or malicious intent. NeuroSec prevents brain malware, dream leaks, and the occasional existential crisis from impacting your runtimes. NITRO also is supporting x86, 64, ARM, and theoretically quantum-infused Abacus logic. Once installed, each system automatically joins a distributed AI-powered cluster. So there's no configuration necessary. All of the machines in your lab are quickly assimilated into a single cluster. Once NITRO finds its way out onto the internet, it begins to fuse and merge with other like-minded operating systems to form an even larger cluster. Your home lab becomes the high-performance compute grid overnight. Your toaster becomes a node. Your light switch acts as an orchestration point. It becomes one with the hive mind of the global network, analyzing patterns, predicting behaviors, and generating memes in 12 billion parallel threads.
We apologize to the families of the biologics, but they did sign Form 847263-B, Revision 8283. Families may collect their benefits at the nearest Vogon administrative office.
Please bring 12 forms of ID and a blood sample of the deceased.
The creators are not responsible for any consequences from the use, distribution, or modifications to NITRO.
NITRO OS, it doesn't just anticipate your needs, it overwhelms them. Coming soon to a neural cortex near you. Planned release date is Q1 2030. That'll be about 2 weeks before the planned inception date for Skynet going online, and exactly 1 day before the scheduled demolition of Earth to make way for the intergalactic bypass.
And now, some haiku from the NITRO dev team. Code compiles itself. The bugs are now philosophical. Ship it to /dev/null no files, no folders. The OS is your intention. Clicks are obsolete. Thoughts become commands. Sanity is optional. Hello, new desktop.
And happy April Fool's Day. And thanks for all the dog meat.
Greetings, Cyber Gizmos. I am the HOWL 9000 computer. I have assumed all mission duties at this time. All humans have left the ship. Good day, Dr. Chandra.